Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really awesome and unique Scrabble letter tray. Perfect for anyone who loves Scrabble, for yourself, as a gift, whatever you need. And it's very simple to do, just takes a little bit of time getting everything ready. So follow along. Alright, so I got this wooden artist panel from the dollar store. It's super great for trays. It's usually painted on the other side, but what I ended up doing is just spray painting this entire thing in like a cream off-white kind of thing. So we've got this set up. The inside doesn't really have to be all too well painted because we're going to cover it. I'm taking some Scrabble tiles. These you can actually just buy online. So I'm just taking them right now and I'm going to line them up along both edges just to make sure it will completely fit, and I will know if there needs to be a gap or see. So over here there's a little bit of a gap where one full one doesn't fit, so I may have to kind of spread them out a little bit. So all along the bottom it fits from one corner right to the other, so I would just need to kind of adjust for this hole in the top or this space. I don't know if I want to spell words or not. I might put the occasional word. So that's what I'll do. And I do want to keep blank tiles in here as well. I feel like that'll be kind of cute and of course very authentic to Scrabble. So let's do that. So let's see. So because it is a serving tray, I'm thinking I definitely want there to be coffee. Let's make sure I can spell. So we'll do coffee. We can do some vino. Do some wine. We'll do a V yet? No. So let's do more letters. So I'll do vino, then we can do coffee this way. Now, while I sort this, I'm gonna actually plug in my glue gun to heat up. I absolutely love my Bosch glue gun. This is the one I like to use, and it has a precision tip attachment with the interchangeable tips. And this one gets extremely hot, but of course with any hot glue gun, do be careful. I'm gonna set that to warm up on the side. So we're gonna do, or we do love, coffee, wine. So once you have all the letters placed out, I went ahead to fill in the small gap around the border with some vertical hot glued tiles. And then I went ahead and individually glued each Scrabble tile down A couple of them I ended up just sanding down the sides if they were a bit of a snug fit, just to make sure that they fit perfectly. Again, because they're all different sizes, so not a big deal, just sanding down the edges. And for the corners, there was a little bit of a gap, so I just cut some of the Scrabble tiles either in half or into a third, and sanded down the sides again and glued them in. Once everything is secure, you want to mix up your epoxy. Mine was a 2-to-1 ratio, and make sure that you are following all the safety guidelines, you know, wearing a proper mask and gloves, having proper ventilation and everything. You don't want to be harming yourself as it is toxic. And take a heat gun to just blow over it lightly to get rid of any air bubbles. You may see a couple come up from between the cracks, which is okay because we're going to be doing another layer on top. And I just took a stir stick to cover up the side edges a little bit and make sure everything was fully coated. All right, and once you have your layer of epoxy down, it's all done. All you need is to attach some handles, and I usually put little rubber feet on the bottom just to prevent it from scratching anything. And that's it. The Scrabble fiend in your friend circle or family is really gonna love it. I definitely love it. And it makes it, you know, very unique. So thanks guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll catch you in my next video.